Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing an awesome sleeping mask. Stay tuned. Alright, so we got our package today. We're going to go ahead and open it up and show you everything that you get in this little package. So first off, you can see our little product, some bubble wrap. I'm going to push that to the side. So here is a sleep mask. If you guys are looking for any sleeping masks, this is definitely one to take a look at. It's a unique gift. It sleeps with headphones. It's got rechargeable batteries. So right here in the back, it tells you a little information of the specifications. It's got a Bluetooth vision, transmission distance, timer setting, rechargeable lithium-ion battery, and the micro USB charging. So it doesn't take a Type-C charging to charge this device. So if you have any information or any questions, you can contact the company directly by this information at the bottom. Let's go ahead and open it up. And right here is the face mask. It's a very good feel to it. You've got your volume down, your play, pause, and your volume up. So you use the volume, the pause, and the play to connect your Bluetooth device. See, right here is the charger port. This takes a Type-C charging cable, which is also included. So if you don't want this to stick out, you just go ahead and stick it in here. You can remove this if you want to wash it. You just pull that out. You just zip this up. And you can see on the back, it does have a adjustable. It is good quality. Feels good on the face. This is a little spot for around your nose. It's got really good stitching. Right here is where your speakers are. They're on both sides. Little tiny speakers right here, which sound amazing, by the way. So, and in this box, you'll get your user manual. You'll get a little thank you card. Just throw that to the side. So inside the user manual, it does tell you about how to contact them, the features of this. It tells you how to connect the Bluetooth. You want to turn your Bluetooth device on. Click on the play pause to turn on the Bluetooth settings. Then you'll connect it. Mine is BTFAAH on my device. So it says the repeatedly flashing blue and red means it's pending to be connected. A slowly flashing blue means it's connected. Right here it says how to charge the Bluetooth mask. How to wash it. Again, when you want to wash it, you want to remove this from inside the face mask or it will get damaged. You can machine wash this or hand wash. If you're going to machine, I would definitely do delicates. You do get a little travel bag, which is awesome. Nice little silk travel bag. And then this is the included Type-C charging plug to charge your face mask. This is about a foot long. So now let's get back to the face mask. We're going to go ahead and connect it. So in order to connect it, you want to push the play pause. And it'll start flashing. You can see right here. The flashing, it's getting ready to pair. So now I got to get my OnePlus 8 Pro to pair this up. It works with any device that has Bluetooth. So we're just going to grab my phone right here. Go into Bluetooth settings. We'll click on Bluetooth device. You want to click on pair, depending on what your device, everyone's different. So I'm going to click on show all and then pair device. If it's not showing in here, then I'll just go back and then click on pair a device. So right here you can see BTFAAH. And yes, I want to pair it. So I'm going to wait for that to pair. Make sure my volume is turned up. So now I'm going to pick on one of my music apps, which is Deezer. I'm going to go into my favorites. We'll just click on a song. And we'll just play one at random, just a couple second clips. And then I'm going to turn the volume up on the face mask as well as on my phone. So there, right there is the testing. Let's go ahead and put on a different song. So I'm going to go ahead and put them both together so you can hear how loud they sound. So they're on both sides right here. Let's go ahead and click on a song and wait for that to play. So right now I'll be playing the Katy Perry song, Last Friday Night. Sorry about the camera angle, just want to get where you can hear the speaker. So as you can see, it is pretty loud. The clasp in the back is pretty stretchable. You can loosen it, you can tighten it. As you can see, it is stretchable. So if you have a big head, it will stretch. It's very good quality. Definitely a must-have, especially if you want to sleep and want to hear music. This gives you the music basically surround in your ears. Very good stitching. You can see right here the stitching work on this. Inside and out. So now if you want to take the clasp off, it's much like a bra. You just go ahead and clip this right here. Just lift up and it'll remove. You want to put it back on, just slip it in here just like that. It is very stretchable, so if you do have a big head, this will definitely fit you. And inside this pocket is your charger. So if you want to wash this by hand or machine wash, you better make sure to take out the controls on the inside. So if you're interested in this set, I will link all the details in the description. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And go ahead and hit that little notification button so you get notified every time I upload a new video. Also check me out at MarisReviewChannel.com. Thanks for watching.